Hey, YouTube Gunner, welcome back to part 4 now. We're going to be taking a look at the faraway. I just want to show that I made some modifications. Using the high yield line going up and over to the uranium, I can shut it off from right here. I flip that switch, the uranium node dies out, and yeah. I also added another nuclear bomb production unit, so I'm producing roughly twice as many bombs. I'm actually a little low on the uranium here, but that's okay. There's a bit of a buildup of uranium, but it's minor. I don't know why I did that. Oh, yeah, that's right, because I need to have that be double split because I want only 120 going into there, so that way it stays 100% efficient, so I do not have a buildup of nuclear fuel just lying around. So I did the double split here, which gives me a bit of an issue with that, but it keeps this from being an issue. So I've also power sharded up those AI limiter productions, and they're doing just fine. Double nuclear bombs. So that's not, this is a bit of an issue. I'm thinking about doubling this up now, but yeah, we'll see. For now, I'm finally going to show off that hypertube that I've been wanting to. I don't like hypertubes because I can't get out in the middle, but I have it when it's a multi-set. You do get blasted off into this wall here, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and take the hypertube up to the first stop. I also repainted my character at some point. My character looks like a certain character from a certain Japanese company that's very famous for red and blue. I'm like, no, let's go with black. So nitrogen is on that storage unit there. It gets split off there to go to that train. And she comes from right over there, which I passed it. But I'm pretty close. Importantly, I'm nearby to here. There's a bit of a glitch I found where there's a radiation node over here that's not showing up. It's underneath that rock or something. And I can't find it. So I'm not going over there. That is my nitrogen. That's where basically all of my nitrogen comes from. Copper here, iron's over there, not going to show that. Sulfur is on that one, which comes from right down there. This is all Caterium, quick wire. I saw I was having an issue, so I increased it. My Caterium is there, and then coal is down there with concrete production right up there. And that's just a crash thing. If I'm careful, I can finally mark it because I forgot to mark it. Where is it? It should be. Did they fix it in a patch or something? It should be like right here. Okay, I'll take it. I will take it. I might need to upgrade that to Mark 6. Well, let's take a look. So that's from over there, but we'll go over to here now, which is literally just to make this a little faster. Ugh. So, here we are. So I do have the one going over like that and up and over, but the rest I have here because I didn't want to do that first, and I realized I just needed more material. So here goes the Mr. Drone going to with plastic or control rods. He's got plastic. That one, yeah. Yeah, quick wire is moving quick. I may need to fix that. So here we go. Bonk. So this is what's in the faraway that I basically do not go to. First I'm going to smash my face into the wall. Whack. Okay. Now. Okay, there's a lot of stuff over here. First off, iron production. Which clearly I don't need too much of because I got double steel pipes and then, yeah. I'm not making the encased industrial beams over here. I could, but I'm not. I've got concrete coming over and concrete's just storing, is it? Yeah, it's just storing up. So why am I not building encased industrial beams? Doesn't matter. What matters is this, is making my control rods from a nuclear reactor. So you do need AI limiters for this, but I'm building it all over here. It's isolated over here. So, yeah. No power shards, I don't think, but there are 3 of them. There they go. So, yeah. Sorry about the microphone. So let's take a look at what we've got. First off, a lot of stuff being produced here is basically just copper sheets for most of it, and obviously quick wire, which, no, the quick wire looks okay. So, yeah, I don't need it. Alright, awesome. So this is just all AI limiters. That's a lot of AI limiters. And this is also AI limiters, but this one's not full. But I don't need all of these, obviously, but I have these 3 and these 9 all producing AI limiters. So, yeah, the fact that I'm not... Do you have any idea how many I need per minute? 4 per, so that's 12, 24, 36 per minute. And each one of these is able to produce 5. So you need 36. So that's 15, and 30, 35, 36. So I have 4 extras. It's better to have extras than not enough. Especially when it's your nuclear fuel stuff. Why is that one red? Oh, because I was painting. So, it's just for all a bunch of wire. More wire, and these are copper sheets. Wire, copper sheets. Reason is stators. More wire. I could melt a bunch if I wanted to, but I don't want to. Cable, because cable's needed. Then this is for stators, which is very full. But it's 89% with double power shards. That's quite a bit. The stators and the AI limiters are what is needed for the electromagnetic control rods. So, it's important. And just look at all this. This is all copper sheets. You need a lot of copper sheets because that just burns to a ton. Also the quick wire, but I mean, quick wire is stable, so I don't care. Double drone ports, so I have 2 different outlets. This one I believe is... this is the plastic that comes from down below, so I can increase that. And that one's delivering my electromagnetic control rods. Sure. Then I have all this, which is a lot of stuff. Let's hover down a little and find out. Sure, plastic is being produced partially over here with just some fuel to get rid of the waste. Then otherwise plastic is being produced over here, which that fuel is getting turned into turbo fuel to fuel up my drones and to fuel up my to run that plastic for the computers. So if I were to increase this, it would make me a little happier. As long as I got oil coming in, I don't care. But yeah, this is all turbo fuel here, and this is turning from the waste into the. And it's only 66%, so I don't need a power shard. Unless I power shard up all 9 of these, because I need more plastic. How are you looking? It's 65%. So I can power shard up a little bit. But I don't want to go too much. Triple it. Just on these 3. You don't want to go too much too fast. So for safety, because the last thing I want is the waste to fill out, I'll triple that. Now you guys are doing the other side, 30%. So I can, because these are isolated, I can literally dump this much as I want. Bonk. 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 I need more plastic going to the thing, so if these stop, it's fine. Now, oil. You maxed out? No. Now you are. Oh. It's a Mark 1 line, so I need a 2. There. That'll work because it goes to the splitter. Safety. There we go. There we go. That's much better. Yeah, these are not going to be able to keep up with that flow. Or the other way around. Now, how are you? That's looking a lot better now. It's just making basic fuel, but the fact that it doesn't run at 100%, well, it hasn't gone through yet. How are you guys? 55%, so it's not the best, but it is getting a lot higher now. A lot better. So, how about you? Yep, okay, that's too much now. So, guess what? Now I need to make more fuel generators. Oh, woe is me. I'm running low on my burning of my waste product. Whatever will I do? That goes in here. That goes in here. That goes in here. You go to there. You to here. You to here. And just like that, I'm safe. Just safety. Let's go ahead. Always give yourself a way out unless it's uranium. That's beautiful. Yeah, I can see there's a red one down there, so that's not even getting fuel. Perfect. And because these now have power shards, they're going to really melt through that waste. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. And are you not getting? You're not getting full. It's too much. Perfect. Now, how about you? Yep, you're fine. And you guys? Beautiful. And you? No, it still can do more. You gotta be careful, though. Bunk. We're starting to run risk of hiccup. That'll work. So that's 6 now here, and those there. As long as this is still good, and it's 8. Oh, that's not good. The output. These all at 100%. They're all at 100%. It's glitching. So because these are at 100%, I need to increase. See, you just do this over and over and over again. But this is going to be my short video, so I figured it'd be okay to show you. Just doing math. That one was pretty much full. This one's also pretty much full. So I've already got an issue with my burning of the fuel. Well. Maybe this will help. Don't know why that was only Mark 1, but now it's all Mark 2. How are you? You're at the end here. Now you're at the maximum. Alright. Yep, okay. So, I need to increase my consumption considerably. But I don't want to burn through so much that I'm not getting any to my packagers. And that's good, the fact that it's permanently going. On a Mark 1, right? Mark 1. Okay, good. Because if I run out of this turbo fuel, then my drones are in a problem. Alright. Alright. Yeah, it's still not enough. I mean, I can always just shut down that awesome sink. It's only 60 a minute, but that might be enough. There we go. So that just doubled my power output for this area. Go away. These are each producing 500 megawatts. And I have 10 of them. So this is 5,000 megawatts right here. It requires a lot, but that's as much as 2 nuclear reactors. So, yeah. Yeah, no. That's looking good. I can just dump the buffer if I have to. There's a second one. I forgot about that. What are you producing for me? Oh, polymer resin. Oh, I really don't care about that. But the fact that that's not full. How are you? See, this is the problem I have to go through. I gotta make sure I don't choke the system or have a major issue. And this is burning through the heavy oil residue. That is good. And it is outputting the fuel. That is good. But now it might be choking the system here. And it's going to take a while for it to bleed through, but it is starting to bleed through already. Maybe not. But that's a lot more power. You see, this is either backwards and forwards that you're constantly doing. I said I was going to make this a short video. I'm like, how do I make it longer? By doing this. Let me guess. Yep, nope, 62%. So I don't even need all 3. No, safety. That's fine. I'm not even turning that to turbo fuel. Just regular fuel. Any compacted coal if you want turbo fuel. And another set of refineries. I don't want to do that. Just burn it. Yeah, 90%, and it is no longer producing maximum. So this will slowly deplete. So that means I am going to have to start reducing some power shards over here. One step at a time. One step at a time. I don't want my waste to be full, but I mean, the alternative is the fuel for my thing is not good because that's at the end. Then again, it is pretty full, and it doesn't really burn through much, does it? It's the 2 drones over here get the fuel, so. Though the one's the electromagnetic control rods. If I lose that drone, I'm in trouble. So I could do a bypass. I could run a bypass. That sounds like a good idea. Bypass this whole setup in order to guarantee my drones are okay. Yeah, and I do have a split right here. I think I'm going to do that. Alright, this is part 4 is over. 18 minutes.